Are you hesitant to seek out help for your marriage? Do you believe that getting outside help is only for couples who have issues or problems in their relationship? You're not alone. I used to be that person. So, in this video, I will debunk that myth and share 7 reasons why you should consider workshops, seminars, counseling, coaching, mentorship, and more to help you to enrich your marriage. And I guarantee number 7 will surprise you. So watch until the end. Welcome back to the all new Total Marriage Transformation channel. And I'm Dr. Delroy Fredericks of Hope Conquers Marriage Enrichment, where I help couples personally and spiritually enrich their marriage. Now let's get back into the video. Well, let me start by debunking this marriage myth. Why do some believe that outside help is only necessary when you have issues or problems in the relationship? I remember I used to be that person, and then I understood what I will share with you. And when I say outside help, I'm talking about, like I said, counseling, therapy, workshops, seminars, mentorship, pastors, pastoral counseling. That's what I'm talking about when I say outside help. One of the things I had to come to understand to make sure that I understood fully that this was not true is when I started to talk to couples. And then I concluded that healthy, thriving marriages are marriages where a lot of outside help is involved. Now, you're making your own decisions in your marriage, but you're seeking out what the Bible calls wise counsel. If you desire a thriving marriage and you desire to grow stronger and to build a love that lasts, you cannot do it all by yourself. So I'm glad that I cleared up that myth. Now let's get into the 7 reasons why you should consider outside help to enrich your marriage. Reason number 1: if you desire to learn how to create emotional safety for better communication in your marriage, sometimes you will need those who have a focus, as an example, on these areas that can help you to build your skills. Number 2, if you desire to improve your understanding of your spouse for deeper connection, this is to not know on the surface level of who they are, but to truly get into their thoughts and their deeper sense of belonging of who they are. If you have that desire, sometimes you may have to seek out outside help. If you desire to learn how to resolve conflicts effectively, instead of just having arguments or discussions that turns into arguments, then turns into a fight. If you desire to learn how to resolve conflicts effectively, sometimes you may just need outside help. Number 4, if you desire to enhance emotional intimacy, which is actually the key, men, listen up, men, husbands, listen up. If you desire to learn how to enhance emotional intimacy, which then enhances physical intimacy, sometimes you may need to seek out external help. Number 5, if you desire to learn how to break negative cycles or negative patterns of unhealthy communication styles, you may need outside help because you'll need to learn how to recognize it, and what to do when you recognize it and how to replace it in that particular cycle. Number 6, if you desire to ignite or reignite love and passion in your relationship, communication skills are necessary for this, and sometimes you may just need outside help. Because I've come to understand after 18 years of marriage, I'm still learning, but what I've come to understand is that effective communication restores joy, it restores fun, it restores closeness within the relationship. And number 7, sometimes if you desire just to grow stronger and to become a better you, because sometimes you just don't know what you just don't know, don't struggle alone. Come in to a seminar or a workshop or seeking out help through coaching or mentorship or therapy or counseling is sometimes what is needed, because sometimes you just don't know what you just don't know. And for these 7 reasons, that is why we here at Hope Conquers Marriage Enrichment have created a brand new virtual and in-person communication building workshop called Let's Talk, where you learn how to not only create emotional safety for open communication, but you're able to truly learn how to navigate negative cycles in your relationship so your relationship can start to thrive. So, to be a part of this next workshop, the link is in the description. And this event is going to be in person and online. The only reason you should be at home for this event is if you decided to choose the online version. Just kidding. But for real, if you don't desire the 7 things I just discussed, you probably don't need to be married. But if you do desire the 7 things I just discussed, click on the link in the description to register for this Saturday, April the 5th, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. For the in-person only, refreshments will be served and there will be free giveaways and practical exercises and strategies that you can implement at the workshop. So I hope to see you either in person or online. Goodbye for now.